Everyone knows that green plants are the basis of life on our planet. And only with the advent of green plants did life on land appear. Only they produce oxygen and therefore are the living lungs of the planet, as well as a home and food base for thousands of species. Forests shape the climate and counteract global warming by absorbing CO2. By breathing themselves, plants give us the opportunity to breathe. The disappearance of forests, which is happening at a terrifying speed before our eyes, leads to catastrophic consequences: droughts, floods, soil degradation, destruction of ecosystems, extinction of species, climate change and, as a result, economic and social disasters. If nothing is done, the crisis is inevitable and very close. That is why global organizations, in particular UNEP, are working to solve the problem of forest disappearance, as well as many non-governmental state and private structures. Since its creation, the public organization Ecosystem Restoration Center has been implementing the goals, objectives and ideas of the UNEP program Decade of Ecosystem Restoration in Ukraine. And on November 20, 2024, together with the Department of Education, Culture, Youth and Sports of the Samgorodok Village Council, with the assistance of the local administration, held another event. On this day, every child in the community planted a tree. Educational institutions of the villages took part in the event: Vinnytsia, Dubovai Makarancy, Zazyulancy, Yasipovka, Nikolaevka, Samgorodok, Shiroka Greblia. Farms and many other residents of our community joined the event. Red oak seedlings were grown and provided free of charge by the public organization Ecosystem Restoration Center. In one day, the community planted more than 2,000 trees. And such events are planned to be held several times a year. We hope that the action of our community will serve as an example for other regions. There are currently about 3 million school-age children in Ukraine. Imagine if every child planted a tree every year. By the time they finish school, each child will have their own small forest. And then our state will not have to worry about its future. 10-minute tasks, and the result will last for centuries. We express our deep gratitude to the head of the Samgorodok Rural Council, Sergei Yakovlevich Lanovic, and the head of the Department of Education, Culture, Youth and Sports, Olga Alexandrovna Babkina, for their help in organizing the campaign and their support. As well as to the directors of educational institutions, all teachers and each child who took part in the campaign. As well as to farmers, employees of agricultural firms, residents of the mentioned villages who took part, and all residents of the community for their benevolent and approving attitude towards this flash mob.